So right now I am in quarantine, but that's not the point. I find that I have a problem where I sneeze a lot, and these are not the right times to sneeze. For people who probably just give me looks and like, oh, gotta stay away from her. But within these quarantine days, I'm pretty sure it's just allergies because I haven't been sneezing a lot, so yay. Anyways, in my fifth period of time, I started sneezing. I was on a roll. We were listening to an audiobook until my teacher told me to go outside. Oh crap. Soon she invited me inside and gave me a ton of tissues. I still have some in my bag, but I stopped sneezing after that. But on that the Friday that they announced school was canceled, I sneezed. Wow. Clap clap. And my teacher told me to go wash my hands. Another kid touched his face and also got kicked out of class and to was made made to, forced to wash hands. Oh my god, I cannot speak. And that's the end of it. Now, I like this teacher actually. She's a good teacher. So hope y'all are enjoying your break. I'm not I'm not well, I'm kind of iffy, but bye. See ya.